part 2. Who's ready for some burnouts? Yeah, torquing down those heads and stuff is really fun. But now we're gonna get into Klaus's burnout part of it, and along with some burnouts from the other YouTubers. You guys gotta stick around and watch this.
That was wild. Whoa. That's all I can say about that.
Oh, that was incredible. Holy crap, I can still feel it in the chest, dude. That's crazy.
And they started pop, 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 pop. I was like, I gotta cover my ears because they're gonna hit this on the starting line. It's gonna be insane.
That's intense.
All right, let's go find Pop Pop.
I'm in here, suited up. I'm gonna go, and we're gonna get going.
This thing's super nasty. He's done some great burnouts at Cleetus and Cars before. And you just got it done, right? Like 2 days ago. You know what? The clutch is hurt. How much? She made a lot of power. Dyno though, over 1,000. So, hey, it is what it is, brother. Let's see what you got. Hey, Motorsports. Hey, Motorsports. Twin turbo LSX. Let's go.
shot yet. We got some of the YouTubers going. We saw Klaus's burnout. Klaus started overheating, so I shut him down. And our built-in timing kicked in, pulled all the timing. It's fine. We drove him back home. He's misfiring pretty good, and there's a couple other issues, nothing too serious except for that clutch. Still need to get that clutch fixed. We're talking to a bunch of the guys, James and Doug's from Motion Raceworks. They said that we need to install a second radiator system. You can do it like quick, runs it all the way to the back, the quick connect settings, something that you could just add on for burnout contests, which are nice. So we got that going. Oh, lots to do, but we're gonna get on the road. We'll see you next time.